Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the Walraven Maxx modular steel support frame. As demand for heavy-duty support systems grows in M&E building services, Walraven Maxx provides a strong and versatile support system for all your heavy-duty installations where standard strut channel is not sufficient. Maxx minimises installation time. It can be prefabricated off-site, or it can be supplied in kit form to be bolted together for quick assembly. Maxx offers a range of strong box profiles, including 80x80 and 100x100, and a selection of bracketry that make building goalposts and frames easy. Plus, connections are made easy with the hammer-fix connector, featuring twist and tighten technology for quick, secure fixings. So what makes Walraven Maxx stand out? Well, it's manufactured in the EU to strict quality standards, and we have a stock holding here in the UK. Maxx connects easily to primary steelwork, strut channel and Walraven Yeti rooftop support feet, offering maximum versatility. We can provide you with cutting lists and installation guides to make your job easier, and if you want to assess the environmental impact of your project, we can provide you with an EPD. Maxx is future-proof. It's easy to adjust on site, making future layout changes simple, and its hot dip galvanized finish offers superior corrosion protection. And finally, we offer technical support, including CAD designs, BIM models, and prefab options. Maxx has been used for many projects, including plant rooms and pipe bridges, wide spans and high-load rooftop equipment. So why not choose Walraven Maxx for your next project for a strong, efficient, and a versatile solution?